Tired of saying j'ai soif? Let's spice it up with these 5 cool ways to say I'm thirsty in French. Salut! If you're thirsty for some new French expressions, you're in the right place. Here are 5 different ways to tell someone you need a drink. Let's dive in. Number 1, j'ai soif, the classic. Of course, we all know j'ai soif, but let's kick things up a notch. Number 2, je meurs de soif, I'm dying of thirst. Perfect for when you're really thirsty, like when you've been hiking all day. Je meurs de soif. Number 3, j'ai la gorge sèche, my throat is dry. This one sounds fancier, right? Use it when you're feeling a bit more poetic. J'ai la gorge sèche. Number 4, il me faut à boire. I need something to drink. It's a polite way to ask when you're at a restaurant or café. Il me faut à boire, s'il vous plaît. Number 5, je pourrais boire la mer. I could drink the sea. Dramatic, right? Use it when you're super thirsty. Je pourrais boire la mer. Now you know how to say you're thirsty in style. Which one was your favorite? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more fun French expressions.